This is the homework helper for Workbook 7-10, Misleading Graphs. Okay, so in question 1, and they're doing the same basic thing in 2 and 3, except in number 1 you're making a choice, and number 2 and 3 you're just describing. You're supposed to tell me which graph could be misleading. As we talked about in class, today's the things to look for here would be broken intervals, strange increments, really large increments, or really small increments. Those are the primary things you'll see that will be misleading here. So as you can see, looking at the A graph there on the left, there's really nothing jinky about that graph at all. They don't even skip any numbers. They just go up by 2s the whole way. There's really not overly large or too small, and they don't change the increment size. So there's really nothing strange about A. But as you can see, looking at the B graph, there is a break there, and then they start at 12. And as you can see, what happens there is it makes this third bar look way shorter than it actually is. If you look at that same bar over here in A, it really doesn't look much further off from some of these other ones on the right, but on this one it looks like it's much further off from those, when indeed it's really not. So the graph that's going to be misleading here is graph B, and we're going to say because it makes the camel bar look smaller than it is. And you'll be doing the same thing in 2 and 3, except they're already telling you they're misleading, and you just have to tell me why it would be misleading as opposed to identifying which one may be.